It's a gorgeous morning, folks, and I was going to go and work on some projects on the computer, do some editing, but it was so gorgeous this morning when we woke up. I said, I got to go for a ride. So we're heading back out to the Turtle Bay Resort area, which is about 6 miles or 7 miles north of where I live. And I always get to go down this nice Laie path here at the Gunstock Ranch on my left and the Ko'olau mountain range. So we're going to go explore a trail that I discovered and see if we can get to some beachfront. We'll catch you a little later.
Why do you run from the light of the moon as it shines in your eye?
Well, we are gonna get off Cam Highway here and make a right. And this is the Turtle Bay Resort. And like most resort areas, you have townhomes. People live off the golf courses, get to use the facilities. The hotel has been bought and sold several times. It's now the Turtle Bay Hilton. In previous videos, we've toured Kawela Bay over to the west and Turtle Bay, which is to the left of the hotel. And I swear they must have remodeled it 3 years ago, but they are going through a huge facelift. They call it Turtle Bay West and Turtle Bay East. And so they're going through a whole bunch of stuff here. So now I got to find this trail. Just a word of caution. This is not your typical Hawaiian trike tour. We are exploring a mountain biking trail, and you're not going to see much Hawaiian blue skies and blue ocean, but just a bunch of mountain biking trail. We're still waiting for our drone to arrive, but we probably wouldn't have been able to use it on this trail anyway. Too many tree covers and bushes all around.
Your first time I saw the sparkle in your eyes. What a wonderful day.
All right, we're going to take this golf cart ride and look for our trail today. I tell you what, this sure beats riding on Cam Highway. Getting away from all the cars. Okay, once in a while we run into a golf cart. That's okay.
We see the sails in the wind, blue Hawaiian skies. I remember.
There's that golf cart I told you about. All right, we're gonna head down this trail. These back trails were made for access for the workers on the course and for hotel guests and public. So we can ride these. There's about 6 miles worth of trails here. I did another video on a West Mountain Bike Trail. This is supposed to be longer and wider, better for trikes.
I left you lonely in in a crowded
All right.
world.
We're supposed to look for a couple of containers, storage containers. Oh, there they are. And it says Turtle Bay on it.
And just fade away, leaving me free to wander in this tune. Why do you run from the light of the moon?
All right, guys, we're going to do a little touring here, a little off-roading. Buckle up.
There's no place to go. Why do you hide when I talk to you? Hey, hey, where were you when I needed love? Where were you when I was so low?
They call this the Chuck Norris Trail. And here's the reason why. Way back 20-something years ago, Chuck was staying at the hotel and he rented a bike, a mountain bike, and he came out here and just started blazing trails. And they said after he left, there was a trail. And then they created or did more work on it. And here we go, the Chuck Norris Trail. Now we can see a little bit of the golf course. Right alongside there's a little riverbed.
Yeah, he cut so deep as he knifed through the zombie-eyed throng. 2 pineapples in New York City. Girls are randy and the boys are pretty. Build and scream as it scrape the sky. Jungle swings while the night defies. We got the love and we got no pity. 2 pineapples in New York City.
It's about a 20-minute ride on this trail, but I cut it down to about 4 minutes. I don't want anybody to fall asleep on me out here. But it's a fun trail, and I do love it. So hang tight. We'll get through soon.
I let the ocean touch my toes down in Kailua Bay. Shoo-doop-dooby dooby-wah. 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 We see the sails in the wind, blue Hawaiian skies. I remember when is my paradise now that you're gone? Where are those haunted eyes? You were the one for me. I miss your hula hands that sang and danced for me. Your caress in the night under that palm tree swaying. Ooh, Waikiki.
You definitely don't want to ride this trail after a big rain because there'll be mud everywhere. It will get your bike so dirty. Fortunately, the resort sends out a vehicle, I don't know, once a month or so and cleans the trail. But there are a lot of branches and you have to watch your undercarriage. Be great with a fat trike, wouldn't it?
And the blue neon lights. We dined on mango margaritas, ate lobsters stars as they fell from the sky.
Well, they said that was 5 miles. I don't think 5 miles, maybe 3 miles. But I thought that was pretty fun. Now I didn't show all of it to you guys because it does get a little old. But that's a great little ride. And I will do that again. You do have to watch out for sticks that pop up to the undercarriage. It'd be nice to do it without holding this GoPro stick, and I can have both hands on the steering wheel. That would be nice. Well, I will do that next week. This is fairly close to the house, so. Anyway, I'm gonna concentrate on getting through. This is a nice access road and just a place to get away from traffic. I've ridden this before, and it's, I enjoy it. I enjoy getting away. I come out here and just ride all the time. All right, I'll catch up with you in a little bit.
Holds my hand to ease the pain. Running wild with the wind. Open doors and calls me in.
Well, we hope you enjoyed our little exploration of Turtle Bay East, or Kahuku East mountain bike trail. The Chuck Norris trail, don't forget that. All right. Well, hope you enjoyed it. We'll catch you on the next ride. Aloha.